Cortech steel leg table assembly and installation instructions. You will need pencil, drill with 3/8 inch bit, T45 Torx pin head, L-wrench T45 Torx head, security Torx anchors, flat washers. Step 1. Align the legs with the tabletop inserts. Check the fitment and make any necessary adjustments. Step 2. Insert and start all screws before fully tightening. 3 to 5 turns past finger tight. Step 3. Align the bracket with the bottom of the leg. Check the fitment and make any necessary adjustments. Insert and tighten each bracket screw. 3 to 5 turns past finger tight. Step 4. Turn the table over and position it in the desired location. Using a pen or pencil, mark the base mounting locations on the floor. Step 5. Move the table and drill holes in the locations where you mark the center of the floor mount hole. Hole depth should be 2 inches deep minimum. Step 6. Replace the table, lining up drilled holes with the holes in the floor. Install concrete anchor. Tighten 3 to 5 turns past finger tight.